What's going on, everybody, and welcome to Brute Force Algorithm in C++. In this video, we'll be discussing what the brute force algorithm is and how it can be used to solve problems. We'll also go through an example of problem to see how we can implement brute force algorithm to solve it. You usually hear many people say try brute force and then improve upon it. So in this video, we're going to discuss what brute force is and how you can start. The brute force algorithm is the simplest and most straightforward algorithm for solving a problem. It involves trying out all possible solutions to a problem until the correct one is found. Although it may not be the most efficient algorithm for larger inputs, it can be a good starting point for solving basic problems. Let's consider a simple example problem. Given an array of integers, find the two numbers that add up to the target value. To solve this problem using brute force algorithm, we can simply try out all possible pairs of the numbers in the array and check if their sum is equal to the target value. We can implement this approach using two nested for loops, as you can see. The time complexity of the brute force algorithm is O of n squared, in this case where n is the size of the input array. This is because we are trying out all possible pairs of numbers in the array, which takes n squared iterations. As you can see, we have two for loops. Although this approach works for small inputs, it may not be practical for larger inputs. As you can see, brute force is just brute forcing your way to solve the problem. It's not the most efficient way. You can get it done, and in most cases you want to start solving a problem using the brute force method and then improve upon it. In this video, we discuss what brute force algorithm is and how it can be used to solve problems. We also went through an example problem and saw how we can implement the brute force algorithm to solve it. Although the brute force algorithm may not be the most efficient algorithm for larger inputs, it can be a good starting point for solving basic problems. I hope you understood more about the brute force algorithm. Like the video, comment down below something you know about brute force, and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.